welcome back to Pit Lanes and Pavilions. On this episode, we are breaking down India's favorite tyohar, which is IPL. We welcome Vallavi.
Okay.
As Indian students abroad in Singapore, how do you feel missing the IPL fever?
I think it was like it's my core summer memory.
तो it is a very summer vacation vibe. जब तुम्हें 2-3 महीने का summer break मिलता था, you just sit down and you are just watching IPL.
I think every
It's a
dinner
part-
table,
yeah.
you need to complete your dinner fast so
Yeah.
that you can sit in front of the TV और पूरा time बस cheer करते रहो. And बचपन में तो समझ में भी उतना नहीं आता था कि क्या चल रहा है. Anyway, अपनी favorite teams बताओ.
RCB.
I think the audience can guess. It's SRH.
Okay.
What about you?
मेरा तो कोई guess नहीं कर सकता.
ये थोड़ा PSL का member है, IPL light है.
PSL. मेरे लिए so like I have this Virat Kohli वाला चीज, so
Oh, please
I
don't
support RCB for that. But then मेरे को छुपी हुई टीम है जो मैं अंदर से सपोर्ट करता हूँ, that is KKR.
I don't like KKR at all. I
I-
don't like KKR at all.
Follow two teams.
Yeah.
It's just we show one and we have that hidden support. for
Yeah,
one another.
yeah.
Who is your hidden support?
I feel for me it's MI.
Am I? Damn.
I don't have a second preference. I'm very loyal to my home team, which is SRH, and that bias is there. कुछ भी बोलो, कितना भी troll हो SRH, whatever is happening right now, everything is defendable, and मैं अभी भी SRH की true fan.
For me, I don't know why I support KKR. Like, I have no reason. Like, लोग पूछते हैं तो KKR को क्यों support करता है? I've never been to Kolkata also.
Okay.
Support और फिर लोग कहते हैं, do you like शाहरुख खान? I'm like, भाई शाहरुख खान भी ठीक है.
Ananya Pandey maybe.
Ananya Pandey.
Juhi Chawla.
Maybe it was just the first Brendan McCullum ka innings where he scored like 150 in the first match only against RCB hockey.
I think before mentioning about anything, let's talk about the new tattoo.
The new tattoo.
Oh
yeah.
my god, Virat's new tattoo. Do you want to tell?
I think Aman knows better than me.
So I was like, as I was looking at Aliens tattoo का page constantly कि भाई when are they going to post about it? When are they going to post about it? और कल मेरे को एकदम से दिखा that post about his like new tattoo on the foot as a left arm, full sleeve कर रहा है उसने, and it is like a lotus.
Very
तो अब वो
flowery,
lotus क्यों है वो बताओ.
Lotus
Lotus.
क्यों? National flag.
Like what do you think is the reason
BJP
behind the
propaganda? हाँ.
कोई सेंस बात नहीं.
Be detailing by Aditya Dhar.
lotus? And someone was telling me that I look like Aditya Dhar.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु.
Oh.
ये
Cut,
तो
cut, cut,
कौन
cut,
है? But we were talking about Virat
the
Kohli's tattoo
lotus
and what
curry.
it signifies.
So it is like lotus grows in a like bad
got
place
it.
या मतलब ऐसे वो कोई भी कीचड़ में भी उग जाता है.
Bad place.
तो फिर विराट कोहली मतलब
He's just
that is what, like,
unaffected by his environment. He can bloom
हाँ,
anywhere.
yeah. But today it is the like rivalry of red and orange.
It's going to be amazing. I think the vibes are immaculate. And the last time we opened the season with RCB and SRH, you know what SRH did? It was Travis
You know
Head.
what RCB did?
Last season.
Why
Yes,
are you not talking about Pat Cummins?
because he's injured. He's not
So he's
playing.
not
the-
playing.
Pat Cummins and Josh Hazelwood both have arrived for SRH and RCB.
But I don't think they'll play.
Yeah, but it is not
Because
confirmed
Because
if they are
Ishan
going to
Kishan
play.
is the captain for this
Yeah.
match, the match today. And
No, he is the captain for the
First
the
half.
season. First half.
only first half.
Oh, because like I was seeing.
Did you see? There's one video of
Yeah.
Sahiba Wali interviewing Shubman Gill and Ishan Kishan, where Shubman Gill is like, मैं आधे कैप्टनों से बात नहीं करता. तो Sahiba is like, do you have any tips for Ishan Kishan because he's
Yeah.
like doing captaincy पहली बार. He's like, मैं आधे कैप्टनों से बात नहीं करता.
लेकिन सबसे crazy चीज after a long time it is like all 10 captains are Indians.
Oh yeah.
क्योंकि last
Is it?
year all 10
Oh my
captains
god.
are
I think I will attach one photo here.
Yeah, and it is like 2019 में I guess it was once that it happened, and उसके बाद में अभी सीधा 2026 में हो रहा है that all the captains are Indians.
Guys, if you're coming here for fact checking, do not. Because I will tell you all the wrong news.
I will try to tell you the right news, but even I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, moving on. Yesterday, the team Rajasthan Royals celebrated Vaibhav Suryawanshi's 15th birthday,
yeah.
and I
Oh,
went.
finally उसका 15th birthday आ गया.
So I went
He's
down
finally
this-
not 14.
So I went down this Reddit का
Yeah.
sub where they were like कि 4 साल से 14 साल का ये.
Finally.
It's prediction time.
So now we have a set of questions and I'm gonna ask both of them one by one. Starting off, क्या लगता है? Pick your 4 players.
So for playoffs teams, ना तो फिर मेरे लिए तो it will be like, see, I'm biased towards these two teams, that is RCB and KKR, and both have a wonderful squad as well. KKR में they have like थोड़ा सा ऐसे pace issues, लेकिन मतलब I think the spinners will dominate in Kolkata, and the fact that they'll play 7 matches in Kolkata, and apart from that, other pitches भी spinner friendly रहता है थोड़ा इंडिया में. So I think KKR will be one of them, RCB, and then third team that is my favorite this year is Mumbai Indians.
Okay.
Mumbai Indians because
They're technically-
World Cup winners.
Okay.
फिर they have Trent Bolt
I
and
think all
Bumrah
their
साथ
players are
में.
in form.
They have
Yeah.
Deepak Chher, Shardul Thakur साथ में. So it's like there's no बस एक spinner का है. They don't have
Tilak
spinners.
Verma.
They don't have
Yeah.
Tilak Verma, Surya Kumar Yadav, Hardik Pandya, Naman Dheer, Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock. कौन सी तुम्हें और?
Yeah.
तो Mumbai Indians and my last
Karega.
team that is there is Punjab.
Very fair.
Punjab.
Very fair. I agree.
For me,
Who is in
Punjab.
Punjab? Give me Shreyas
Punjab
Iyer.
because Shreyas Iyer की captaincy has been great.
Yeah.
When you
No mentioning about Arshdeep.
अर्शदीप तो पाजी अपने व्लॉग बनाते रहते हैं बढ़िया अपने मजे चालू उनके.
पाजी ही मोटिवेशन है.
हाँ.
Vlog बनाते
Okay.
रहो.
Coming to you.
So my playoffs will obviously include MI and DC because on paper they are very strong. बहुत ही ज़्यादा strong teams है. और मुझे इतना pitch वगैरह का idea नहीं है. I'm more of a men kind of person जो team देख के decide करती है कौन जीतेगा कौन नहीं because any pitch can be playable अगर वो हो जाता है. So I think
What about DC
MI and DC. DC is very strong. I'm of course going to put SRH. I think they will explode this season. It's going to be a bomb season for them. This is my
Who will bowl
intuition.
for you?
This is my intuition. And how much ever I hate the team, I cannot say no to them. But the defending champions RCB will be a part of the playoffs, and they will lose to SRH this year.
By the way, on RCB and SRH panel, I have a conspiracy theory over here.
Really?
Yeah, I have a very like weird conspiracy theory over here. That is, so last time when Ravindra Jadeja was playing for his home team, that was Gujarat Lions, and this time he's playing for Rajasthan Royals, right? So 2016 comparison. Then SRH first two match against RCB and KKR. This time also the first two matches are against RCB and KKR. That was in 2016 again. Okay? SRH playing with two left-handers. On top, that was David Warner and Shikhar Dhawan. And this time it is Travis Head and Abhishek Sharma.
Crazy.
So like 2016, 2026. But then that brings
It's the Orange
970.
Army
But then it
season.
brings the orange cap to someone 973 runs in a season.
Right. That's true. That's true.
Unbeatable till now. New
Get
tattoo.
over him, guys. Get over him.
Yeah.
I
So-
think
I think someone posted about that he's charging such amount for coming back from
Yeah.
London to play IPL, and then he reacted with a laughing emoji. And
Yeah,
he
yeah.
posted the story. And the best way to do that was that only. कुछ उसमें explanation का जरूरत नहीं.
Their page got restricted, the page who posted that.
Crazy.
Like, that is the
I think
power
Virat's
of...
fan base is a force to reckon with क्योंकि I think 1 घंटे के लिए उसका Instagram डाउन हो गया था and
हाँ.
Instagram के Instagram पेज पे इतने
Followers
कमेंट्स आ
कम हो
गए
गए.
थे.
He generally मतलब वो react नहीं करता mostly
Yeah.
but जब करता है तो like
But Virat Kohli and Instagram have a very
Strong
deep
guy.
connection. Randomly किसी की भी reel like हो जाती है.
oh my god I was just coming to that.
that was a mistake, guys. That was a mistake. That was a
I
genuine,
agree.
honest
I
mistake.
agree.
I mean, so, guys, मतलब no hate for anyone, but I'm just saying कि अपन deviate हो जाते हैं हमेशा. Do your own predictions.
Oh,
4
yes.
teams. You also have to put your predictions forward.
Give your 4 teams. Come on.
I think I'm biased here, but for me the first one is MI.
Oh,
I think 2020 is going to repeat itself. I feel.
Damn.
Cannot laugh.
And then RCB for obvious reasons. And then I feel somewhere I feel like Punjab is going to do really well this time.
okay.
And an outlier RR.
RR.
I don't know.
Oh,
I
damn.
have
I thought
this
she
gut
put
feeling.
Lucknow Super Giants.
Yeah.
Zero home bias she has. by
Yeah.
the way, guys. So, let's move on to
To
The next predictions, that
second.
is
Who do you think is going to win that?
trophy.
win this trophy. So, you want to go first?
I
Like
think-
trophy and runner-up.
Yeah, let's combine.
So I revealed my finalists. That is
Yeah.
RCB and SRH, and SRH will win with RCB as runner-up because, as you mentioned, the conspiracy theory of 2016 versus 2026. I think the stars will align this time, and all of this will come into play. It's going to be a dramatic season, but I think SRH will win.
So, you want to go.
What about you?
Okay. So, I think, like for me, the winners this time are KKR. And my runners up are RCB. So, I have a theory behind this. See, last time when KKR won, like in 2014, it was like for 4 seasons, it was KKR, MI, KKR, MI. So I'm hoping from 2024 it is KKR, RCB, KKR, RCB. So that is why, and that
GP
too,
series बना रहा है.
and that too, like in 12 months, like 12 years
What in
difference.
the
So
mathematics
in
is
12
that?
years difference, right? So 12 years, like the cycle repeats, like the Saturn cycle also repeats, right? So I think KKR is going to win this one.
ये नया नया ज्ञान जो लेके आया है सैटर्न साइकिल रिपीट्स समझाओ जरा क्या है सैटर्न
That is for another video.
put in the comments if you want to know about this Saturn
But
cycle
I
or
think
whatever.
like it is KKR season. This one, like they will be the underdogs, beating everyone and reaching the finals and win against RCB in the finals. I hate to say this, but Virat Kohli will score a century in the finals. Like I'm hoping.
What about you?
I think for me, I feel RCB. They're going to maintain their winning streak this time as well.
स्ट्रीक के लिए guys 2 बार होना चाहिए
अरे
अरे वो
एक
इतना
start
रोड हो
हुआ
गया
तो
18 सालों में
second
एक बार जीते विनिंग स्ट्रीक इट सीम्स
They are on it. And runner-up, I feel MI.
Am I? Oh, that is a.
bold I think MI is a good team
But I think
and
MI will.
script writers will want that
Ambani will also want that. Empires will also want that. And almost everyone will want that. But MI, do you think like MI will start the season slow this time? Like they always tend to lose the
Yeah.
first 4-5 matches and
I
then
agree.
start.
They're going to
I have a
start very
feeling
slow.
that given the form that their players have, I think the first few matches they will dominate
Yeah.
and then it will go downhill. That is my prediction. I don't know.
I
just
feel they're going to
this way.
perform really bad starting the 3-4 matches, and then
And
they'll
then
realize,
they'll pick
okay,
up.
we have such good players, and then let's bounce back.
Yeah.
अगर टाइप कुछ होगा.
वो
तो
उनका
फिर
वैसे ही
script
चलता है.
ठीक करनी पड़ेगी
हाँ,
ना.
script थोड़ी ठीक करनी पड़ेगी. अंबानी मैम को आना पड़ेगा.
With the Empires. Sorry guys, MI people. Like what do you guys think will be the orange and purple cap holders for this 2026 season?
See, I have no explanation, but I have a strong gut feeling. I feel Shubman Gill is going to hit the orange cap.
I have the same prediction.
I don't know. But for the purple cap, I have a very controversial answer. I feel Kunal. For
Kunal?
some weird reason, I feel that he's gonna take Mercedes this season.
That is the like bold prediction.
Bold prediction, yeah. Let's categorize that as a bold prediction.
Yeah. For you,
I think my answer was also Shubman Gill, but given she's taken Shubman Gill, I think I will go with. Should I give a very hot take?
yeah.
I have a very strong intuition that Joss Butler
Oh.
will have the orange cap, or Ishan Kishan, one of the two.
I don't agree. I don't
Joss
agree.
Butler or Ishan Kishan. Ishan Kishan has been explosive in the World Cup.
Yeah.
He has performed unreasonably well, and I think he will continue that streak. So that is my intuition.
And for purple cap?
And purple cap, I think will go to UZ.
UZ.
UZ is very out of his form.
I think I should put Bumrah, given the history, but I wanted to
That's
have a very hot take.
yeah.
But
Very
ऐसा
strong
भी
opinion
like ऐसा
on
भी
this.
चलता है. Like I think Ishan Kishan is someone who like is very like not inconsistent, but he has a lot of like ऐसे ups and downs that.
Yeah, I think this time will be on up this season. I have
Good
a-
for
Makes
SRH.
sense, yeah. चलो रंग कोई तो बनाएगा जो बॉलर्स उतना कंसीड करेंगे.
That's true.
ठीक है. Now, so for me, my orange cap and purple cap like predictions are orange cap Virat Kohli because
obviously.
2016 to 2026, like we have seen 2016 ka looks in Virat Kohli this year already in the ODIs that he played in the initial few like months. And उसके अलावा Virat Kohli's new tattoo, whenever he gets a new tattoo, वो थोड़ा सा हो जाता है. And if you
ये वो
saw
आंटी नहीं होती अंधविश्वास
हाँ.
वाली.
this match also, and for the purple cap it is Varun Chakravarti.
Oh.
So for me, Varun
Okay,
Chakravarti because like he tends to take wickets in bunch, like in lots. ऐसा वो अगर एक wicket लेगा, he'll go up to take like 3 wickets in an over.
So you're predicting a hat-trick this year.
Guys,
So
no,
that is-
none of us have given Bumrah as purple cap,
Yeah.
and his form in the World Cup was something else. Let's see.
Yeah, but for some reason in IPL, Bumrah and like Rohit Sharma, they don't tend to like perform as they perform for India. So that is why these. Now, if I ask you about like 3 predictions at once, that is, one will be most valuable player. So someone who has been dominating almost everywhere, be it the field, like without him the team is incomplete. वैसा कोई player. So that is the most valuable player. तो तुम किसको choose करोगे?
I think mine will be Hardik Pandya.
Okay.
He's a different force. Like his energy on the field is different. He's not just a player. I think he's a very good binder for the team. He's a person who will actually, even if he performs or even if he does not, he'll be all over social media.
He'll be aura farming.
Yeah, his aura farming techniques and all of that, and the arc he's on right now is very different. He's like peak Hardik Pandya. I think years later he will look back to this year and he'll be like, I want to be what.
Did you see that Hardik Pandya video where like वो पाकिस्तान का बैट्समैन बॉल उठा देता है हवा में and Hardik Pandya is not even looking if the catch is complete, वो सीधा जाके उसके मुंह पे जाके सेलिब्रेट करता है.
He's just
That-
walking towards
that
him and
just-
the catch कहीं
Oh,
तो
yeah.
और
And
ले रहे हैं.
this kind of confidence is not something that you like grow with. वो ऐसा है कि भाई वो उसने वो बनाया है उसका
डर गया है,
confidence.
yeah.
I don't know, for some weird reason I feel the mindset of Hardik Pandya and Virat Kohli are kinda at par. I don't know, like it's
Yeah,
just a,
like in terms of the game, yeah.
Yeah, they're on field, they are very similar.
Yeah.
Like, in the moment, doing जो भी कर सकते हैं.
Like have you seen those shots वो ऐसे मार देगा ऊपर से, he won't even look, he'll be like
Yeah.
chewing his chewing gum और वो
हाँ.
वैसा. So for you it is Hardik Pandya.
He's like that one kid with the most expensive bat
Yeah.
in the colony and he'll be like, I'm the player.
And you should have looked at him when he was a kid.
No comments.
No comment.
Okay, for you, like
I
most
think for
valuable.
me, I feel it's going to be Rajat Patel.
Rajat Patil.
Whoa.
I don't know. I think
वो
वो
थोड़ा-
ना वो silent supporter.
हाँ.
इतने टाइम तक ट्रॉफी नहीं आए and when he was captain trophy.
Trophy
I don't
आया.
know. एक वो bias आ गया. I feel he
Yeah.
can be.
That story of Rajat Patidar, जहाँ वो खेलने नहीं वाला था IPL.
हाँ, exactly.
He came
It's not
in
a real-
as an injury replacement.
हाँ.
And उस टाइम पे he was like मेरे को बैठाने वाले तो मैं क्यों जाऊँ? And उसके parents उसको बोल रहे हैं at least you will be in the camp with Virat Kohli and everyone. And इसलिए वो आया.
हाँ.
और वो आने के बाद में he scores a century. And in the next season he is playing consistently और उसको captain बनाया. और जो इतने सालों से अनिल कुंबले, विराट कोहली, AB de Villiers कोई नहीं कर पाया. He did in the first year of his captain
Massive respect.
and won the IPL.
I
मतलब
think, yeah.
फुल धुरंधर
Respect
vibes.
बचा.
अभी वो बाल भी लंबे करके आया. और बेस्ट क्वेश्चन उससे भी नैग्स ने पूछा था क्या पूछा था. So he recently became father. And this time is like exactly 9 months from the time they won the title. So he was like, when?
Oh my god.
तो वो पूछता है कि मतलब
Good celebration.
हाँ whatever it was. So
Good one.
that was a good most valuable player.
A very bold assumption, I feel.
Yeah.
Very out of the way, but
Yeah.
I think he can be the player.
हाँ because if you're saying कि विराट कोहली वाली टीम में कोई और most valuable player बन रहा है, So that is yeah.
What about you?
So for me, I'd put like Hardik Pandya as you put. Again, I'll change it to Sunil Narine
Okay.
because
हाँ.
or like
I was
Cameron
supporting
Green for that
RCB और
matter.
KKR. मेरे को अब थोड़ा
That is why I told you
RCB
that.
के पर्दे में अंदर तो
हाँ,
KKR
पर्दे में
है.
रहने दो, पर्दा ना उठा.
I feel he is supporting Virat Kohli and KKR.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not RCB and KKR. It's Virat Kohli.
It is, yeah, it is. Yeah, actually, it is like that. I put my MVP as Sunil Narine because I think he will be the opener. Malab, there are many opening options for KKR, but he'll be the opener. He'll bowl as well. He has a good economy. He's wicket taking. So I think KKR is very dependent on him. So isliye I think he could be the most valuable player. So that is my take.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's move on to breakout star.
And the
Wooden spoon.
wooden
I
spoon.
don't have any answer.
So breakout star is someone who has not performed yet but has a lot of potential and
Emerging player.
will emerge very well in this season. And Wooden Spoon is the team that will come last in this tournament.
So,
Do you want to start?
So I've taken my breakout star to be Naman Deep
Oh.
from Mumbai Indians because he has shown मतलब ऐसे काफी potential ऐसे खेलते हुए and he is very explosive. वो ऐसे middle order में आएगा, game खत्म करके चला जाएगा. And for my wooden spoon, I put the team that you put in playoffs, that is RR, because I don't think they have a team. In the sense, you look up to names in teams. मतलब for many seasons, many like teams have won like that also. लेकिन मतलब ऐसा है कि RR में I don't मतलब मेरे को कोई X factor नहीं होता. Like if I talk about SRH explosive batting, उनकी batting खत्म ही नहीं होती. RCB well balanced. LSG अगर पंत खेल गया तो खेल जाएगा. लेकिन I don't see any of that X factor in RR.
I think the same goes with GT as well. उनका
Yeah.
middle order is काफी.
उनमें बस ये है कि ऊपर के दो खेल लेते हैं ना, इसलिए काम खत्म हो जाता है.
I think yeah.
And the energy you feel for Namandeep, I've had the same one for Dinesh Patil.
Dinesh
I don't know for some reason. क्योंकि वो भी आता, खेलता,
हाँ.
जिताता and जाता.
हाँ. So what are your breakout stars?
Honestly, I don't have any name for breakout star, but for Wooden Spoon, I feel it's going to be DC.
DC.
DC. That's pretty bold, bro. I put DC in the playoffs.
Same, but I have kind of feeling कि DC भी.
DC can choke. ऐसा है because उनका एक Ben Duckett तो निकल चुका है, लेकिन he opted out, तो 3 साल बैन भी हो गया. तो DC. Crazy.
I think and breakout star you don't have. For me, I think the breakout star will be Mayank Yadav,
Oh.
the fast bowler.
Yeah.
I think he was supposed to play the last season and he didn't play because of an injury or something. But this season he's playing and I think he'll take that revenge. I think he'll play enough for both the seasons. So he'll be like that emerging player. And for Wooden Spoon, I have put LSG.
Oh, so emerging player and wooden spoon like from the same team.
So एक bowler से नहीं जीत सकते ना.
But LSG क्यों?
Because LSG में मुझे कोई वो X factor नहीं दिख रहा. तो ये मेरा है prediction.
So now let's move to the bold prediction
Oh yes.
of this
It's
season.
one surprise element of this
Yeah.
season.
So you wanna go first?
I think I'm gonna get a lot of hate if this video works out. But I think Dhoni will play only half of the designated CSK
Oh my
games.
God.
And
Half?
मतलब
I mean,
6 out of 12, yeah.
Or like 7 out of
He'll
14.
seven out of
retire
14.
midway. ऐसा होगा.
Not retire, he just won't play. In the sense he won't bat.
Oh.
अच्छा, okay.
Fielding तो वो करता ही नहीं है. So
Batting वो
But
करता
this time
नहीं
they
है.
have a they have a keeper also this time, Sanju Samson, right?
yeah. So
So
मतलब
Dhoni hater, like Dhoni fans don't come to me, come to them. I didn't say anything.
I am number 7. My lucky number is 7. So chala for a reason.
Covering up
But
now.
अब बैठ जाना चाहिए थोड़ा.
हाँ.
मुझे
I
ऐसा
mean,
लगता है.
that's why they got in Sanju Samson also.
Yeah, I think they're trying to find a balance in the team before Dhoni leaves,
हाँ.
so that when he leaves कोई ऐसे धक्का ना पड़े. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.
I think mine is very contrary. I'm thinking that Dhoni might score a century this year.
Oh my god.
I don't know. I'm thinking out loud,
Why?
very
What are
loud.
you saying?
But yeah,
But एक ओवर में सेंचुरी नहीं होती.
I agree.
हाँ, वो थोड़ा 18.2 पे आएगा खेलने.
18.2 में भी उसके बाद मैं also expect कि कोई विकेट गिरेगी. I'll go at 19.2.
चलो, what's up? What's up?
So for me, I've put that this season will see one hat trick.
Coming from?
That I have no idea, but one hat trick.
हैट्रिक तो पिछले सीजन में हुआ था क्या?
I don't remember, but काफी टाइम से नहीं.
Even I don't remember.
So hat trick, I'm expecting one hat trick this season, and लेकिन I will change it, and I will make my prediction to be Rohit Sharma scoring more than 600 plus runs this season.
Not happening. I don't think so.
This was
He
not
is
like
a
a bold
very,
prediction.
You saw
World
Neeta
Cup
Ambani. Neeta Ambani देखती है उसको
Bro,
रोहित
the
शर्मा को.
transformation he's had, bro. वड़ा पाव से मिर्ची बज्जी हो गया.
Very Mumbai reference like that. So Neeta Ambani उसको देखती है कहती है, "Oh, you look like a kid now, Rohit." ऐसे वो सूख गया है भाई, उसको ऐसा लग रहा है सुखा दिया किसी ने बालकनी में.
गार्डन में बहुत
So
cool है.
that is गार्डन में कोई नहीं घूमेगा.
The last, most important prediction. The most important, I think
Yeah.
India wants to know. Is it Dhoni's last season in IPL?
I think it should be.
It should be actually.
It should
And
Will
he's-
it be is the
He's
question.
better off as a coach
And
now.
I think it will be. What are your takes?
I think he's going to do it.
I think he won't. I don't know.
ये ball season.
I think he will play another season.
Why?
या immediately after IPL वो announce नहीं करेगा कि वो नहीं.
तो मतलब अकाय कोहली जब खेलेगा तब धोनी भी खेलेगा. अच्छा ठीक है.
My point is कि वो exactly मतलब season खत्म होने के बाद अपनी retirement announce नहीं करेगा, भले ही 6-8 महीने बाद करे, but अभी immediately तो कोई chances नहीं.
मेरे को लगता है अगर करेगा तो immediately करेगा, नहीं करेगा तो he's playing for the next season. I feel.
Yeah.
So guys, predictions have been made. We've locked in our intuitions, we've locked in our numbers. But did you realize one thing? Most of our predictions were for Indian players. What is this bias?
Home bias.
It is
I
pretty
think-
good if you see.
Yeah.
My entire point is कि India is dominating in the world, so it will dominate its domestic league. That was my entire point.
और कई लोगों को लगता है PSL is better than IPL. PSL.
मुझे
जहाँ
बोला.
my God.
जहाँ पे वो पिंक हो जाती है बॉल. तुमने देखा वो?
Oh my god. So for context क्या हुआ था बताओ.
नहीं, you guys tell. मतलब I तो know. You guys should be telling like what happened that the ball
So
became pink.
PSL जो इतनी crazy super league है, उसमें
बहुत बवाल लीग है भाई.
one of the teams has a maroon jersey जिसका because of sweat बोल दो या पानी जो भी है उनके weather conditions वहाँ पे उसका कलर निकलने लग गया guys and that white ball became pink.
Wow.
होली खेल रहे थे वो लोग बीच में. एंड वहाँ पे स्पेक्टेटर्स आर नॉट अलाउड क्योंकि उनके पास में तेल बचा ही नहीं है. तो इसलिए वो लोग बोल रहे गाड़ी मत चलाओ, वर्क फ्रॉम होम करो, स्कूल्स बंद है, सब कुछ घर से चल रहा है, तेल ही नहीं है.
और इन्हें कश्मीर चाहिए.
Bye.
Wrapping this up, I think we're in for a very, very, very exciting and dramatic season of IPL, given everything that's happening before the actual matches even started. So let's see किसके predictions सही होते हैं, कौन बहुत ज़्यादा गलत होता है और किसका दिल टूटता है और क्या क्या celebrations होते हैं. We will keep you updated. For any immediate updates, do follow our Instagram channel. I think I'll put the link here. And that's it. Like, comment, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment who your favorite team is. If you found any of our opinions very bold, do let us know. And yeah, we're new kids. Support us here. Thank you so much, and we will see you again very soon.